Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech. In this video, I'm going to talk about the battery life of the Realme X2 Pro device. The reason why I'm doing this video because recently I'm getting plenty of queries regarding the Realme X2 Pro. In terms of the decreasing the price in the Flipkart, so they were asking how is the battery in the Realme X2 Pro of the Realme UI. So I decided to use this phone today, and I got few screenshots and screen on time and everything I'll be showing you. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And recently when I did a video on after using for more than 200 days of the Realme X2 Pro, so try to check out that video. And also for more details and what wallpapers I'm using in all these phones, so try to check the wallpaper playlist, so where you can find plenty of useful wallpapers for your device. And also there is a special playlist available only for the Realme X2 Pro, so try to check the playlist also for the Realme X2 Pro. So that playlist might help you to decide whether to buy the phone right now or not. So let's get started with the battery. And regarding the battery usage, my usage was close to medium kind of usage. So I've connected to the Bluetooth headphones as well. So during this day, most of the time, maybe close to 5 to 6 hours of Bluetooth is connected. So I was listening to music. And let me open the battery, and here you can see the right now 64% and 2 hours and 53 minutes of screen on time I have received, so which is also pretty good. So in the initial days after the Realme UI update, so there is a decrease of the screen like battery and screen on time. And right now let me show the what version I am running. So in case if you are running the little bit less version than this one, no need to worry, then definitely you will get the new update very soon. So let me even show you where the version. So right now I'm running the 11.c.25 as you can see. So in this version the battery got a little bit improved, and that it did not feel much kind of issue in terms of the battery. So overall the battery backup was good even now after more than using for I think 2 and 7 months of using this phone. So it's been very long journey of the Realme X2 Pro device. So do comment below how much screen on time you are getting in the Realme X2 Pro. So right now with this kind of usage I can easily expect to last maybe close to 6 hours of screen on time is possible in my phone. So do comment below what screen on time you are getting and how much you are getting and why you are getting less. I can reply to you. So that's it for this video, friends. In case if you're planning to buy this phone, don't forget to check that video which I did after using for 200 days. So that will be very helpful for you all. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.